Hi, this is Tim with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over some key steps in preventing fire damage and what's essential to be aware of the potential dangers that can turn your home into a disaster. Flammable materials such as curtains, loose paper, and clutter may seem harmless at first, but when combined with a small spark, they can turn to a deadly fire. A simple lit candle in the wrong place could quickly lead to fire damage that could put you, your family, and your possessions at risk. Fire damage in a home also often results in coating of soot throughout your entire home, with the particles themselves being carcinogenic. Although home may be brought back to its previous state, those possessions and memories that were cherished will be gone forever. So here's what you can do to help keep your home safe, let alone your family safe, because of the carcinogenic properties of soot. One, keep candles and open flames away from any flammable materials. That's a rather assumed thing that you should always keep watch of, but can be forgotten pretty easily. Store items like paper boxes, chemicals, and properly far away from any potential heat sources. This can involve any kind of cleaning chemicals. You obviously don't want to be putting these in the stove, the cabinets above your stove. And always remember that a little awareness goes a long way, meaning that keeping flammable materials away from areas that could spark fire damage is a very important object. We will say with working in restoration, a lot of our home fires come from kitchens and appliances, this including dryer fires. Let's see, the microwave is an also potential one, and anything involving your stove is obviously a key thing. So together, preventing fire is a lot easier to ensure the safety of your home. However, if you do have a fire, please make sure to call PDQ Restoration. You can give us a call at 973-316-6014. We're happy to help after the fact, but we'd also like to help make sure you can prevent it as well.